Welcome back. Today I'm sharing 3 ways how to customize your home with DIY and how to do it, as well as some exciting news for beginner DIYers. Alright, let's get started. Number 1 is wall treatments. One of the best ways and my favorite ways to customize your home is adding a custom wall treatment or wall panel to a blank wall to add extra character. There are so many ways to do this. Examples include DIY shiplap, vertical shiplap, wainscoting, beadboard, picture molding, and more. One of my favorite ways, which is a great beginner project, is DIY board and batten. There are so many ways that you can do board and batten as well. You can do it halfway up the wall as a wainscoting treatment, or you can do it from floor to ceiling. You can even customize it further by adding extra trim details to the top or bottom, or doing a fun new color. Number 2 is DIY furniture or a built-in. Often in our homes or when we move into a new home, you need a space to function better or a piece of furniture that just fits the space better, either with its size or the function of it or even the look of it, or all 3 of those things. And sometimes you just need to create extra storage as well in a space. One of the best ways to do this with DIY is to build a custom build or custom piece of furniture in the exact size that you need to fit your space. And you can also build it to function and look the way you need it to work for your space. Another great benefit of this is that you often are going to save yourself a lot of money by doing it yourself rather than hiring it out or buying the piece. Examples of this include a floating shelf, pantry shelves, built-in cabinets, or a built-in bench, an outdoor couch to fit your patio. There are really just so many ways that you can do this with DIY, and it's one of the best features of using DIY to customize your home. Number 3 is a ceiling feature. The ceiling in a room is often an overlooked feature, but it can add a ton of character and customization to your home. One of my favorite DIY ceiling treatments is to add shiplap. We did this in our small bathroom makeover, and it made the room feel so much taller and added a ton of character. It also hid our ugly popcorn ceiling, so we didn't have to remove that. I absolutely loved the final look of it. Okay, but how do you actually do the project? Well, for every project that I've shared here in this video so far, I have a step-by-step tutorial on my blog, as well as a YouTube video showing how to do it or the overview of it. I love sharing these fun tutorials so people can bring these projects to life in their own home and customize their home. But I know that for so many of you, especially beginner DIYers, these tutorials can be overwhelming if you don't understand the basics of DIY and woodworking, or how to even use tools, or maybe you just have a fear of getting started and feel intimidated. For years now, so many of you have shared your struggles with me and asked for more help when getting started and more help with understanding the basics of DIY and a lot of the foundational skills. I love teaching others how to build DIY projects on my blog and this channel, but for every project that I share, it's never the full picture of everything that needs to be done for a successful build, because there are simply too many details to cover and not enough time, so a lot of basics are left out. I'm excited to share though that today I am opening up enrollment for my digital course, DIY Woodworking Made Simple. DIY Woodworking Made Simple is step-by-step instruction directly from me, and we cover everything you need to know and get started with DIY, from how to use essential tools to how to plan and build projects for the home on a budget from start to finish. In the course, I'll teach you the foundational DIY woodworking skills you need to start creating a home you love and that works for you and saves you thousands of dollars in the long run. I'm also excited to share that the course is currently $100 off the regular price for the next 4 days. I am linking the course page and all of the details on it in the description box, which is below this video. Let me know if you have any questions, and as always, thank you so much for watching.